Here we are back at SeaWorld for the Halloween Spooktacular. And what do I mean by we? Well, Bret's joining me today. Brian is working. It was the last second thing. I gave away a shift, so we haven't been here in a few years. So, and here he is. Say hello, Bret.
Hi.
So let's check out the candy trail and as much as we can get done here at Spooktacular. So here is the treat trail. Ooh, Skittles. Ooh, check out the fish pumpkins and fog too. Spooky. Over here too. Okay, so if you're coming here, you have to either bring a bag or buy a bag, just so you're aware. And you can meet a mermaid for $10. Get a photo.
But also today's the last day.
Oh, I thought it's tomorrow. Wow, it's a good thing I didn't try to go tomorrow. It's got some face painting here. This is you're not allowed to come in with makeup, so if you want makeup, you have to have it done here. I'm actually surprised that I was able to come into Legoland with my face with makeup. Clinko! And that's how you pay for the game. And as you can see, it's a little bit like the Brick or Treat Trail, but the buildings are a little bigger. Some cute merchandise here. I like it. Yeah.
It might
go for it. Cookies. Kind of funny, the idea of monsters dressing up as other things when they're already monsters, but this one glows in the dark too. Ice cream, mini donuts, Dippin' Dots, old beverages. Oops, someone dropped their Jocelyn bag. Hey, oh. There's some more merch. Oh, I like the bubble one. That's pretty cool. If you're wondering what price these are, me too, because I can't find one. Creep It Real, really original. Candy. Oops. $24.99 for these. Oh, I didn't notice that this is Hollow Scream. Same company, so that makes sense. Shark bubble blowers. Not really Halloween though. Look, Chick-fil-A, they're giving us chicken sandwiches. Hey, those aren't chicken sandwiches. Okay, SeaWorld, let's talk. Is this really necessary? I mean, come on. Oh wait, I will say though, kind of like CinemaSins when they go ding, but then they take one back. I just send you, but I gotta give you props for that fog. That is awesome. And look, it's a dogfish, and the other one's probably catfish. All right, this inflatable jack-o'-lantern you walk through, also pretty awesome. Ooh, I like the lighting around here too. You know, I'm a sucker for purple. And LEDs. Now, you might say, well, Dave, these are really Christmas lights in other colors. Yeah, okay, you got me there, but it's still kind of cool. Yep, I waited till the last day of this, but we're here. Ultrasonic low fogger. Interesting. It's not very low though, but still pretty cool. I like these barricade covers. Maybe it's because I work in an apartment where we put on barricade covers, but they are pretty cool. As we see, Christmas in the background, because you know it takes weeks to put a Christmas trees out. Is that the opening sequence for Dave and Brian Live? It just might be, or maybe not. I like what they're hanging up here. That's pretty cool. Simple, but it's a really nice touch. Went all in on the candy corn decor this year. Have some dum-dums. Well, sure, why not?
Spooky punch?
Ooh, spooky punch. I don't know. It's when a ghost punches you, I guess. When I talk about it. So they have it in a, well, to be fair, the one with alcohol comes with a souvenir cup, but look at the price difference. All right, so let's find out what the I already forgot the name of it. What is
Spooky
it?
punch.
Let's find out what the spooky punch tastes like. What do you think of it?
It's blue raspberry and fruit punch, just like they said. It's pretty decent for $5.99.
Yeah. And of course, if you're a pass holder, it's a little bit cheaper.
A little bit cheaper, but not much.
No.
But if you want to save sort of money, also just get the annual pass to save sort of money.
Yeah. Well, at least you get a discount at all. There's a lot of places where annual passes don't even work, which is extremely annoying.
It's got a little sour kick to it too. It's like if you ever would just suck on nerds, that's what it tastes
Yeah. But not too overpowering, though, right?
like. No, not too overpowering. It's actually really good compared to some other drinks.
Cool. And just for a moment, I'll show you the construction update of the next roller coaster to come here to SeaWorld Orlando. As you can see, the Icebreaker is
2020.
going in right now. I hope so, if it's opening next year. Work walls, as I've always said, construction walls are a standard staple of the theme park industry.
I'm surprised they didn't continue these walls up here.
I know, that is strange.
Here, like,
Yeah, it's not hard to go whoop, and there you go, you see it. All right, back to Halloween. All right, well, we walked past there, and now we're going back through for Twizzlers. And look, they put up some carny games in here. This is a pretty cool pumpkin. There's a little bit more of the Icebreaker construction. And over here, like I said, there's a whole bunch of carnival games. And, oh, look, frankly, I'm cute. Again, the five games for $20. And these have some spooky prizes. Oh, this one doesn't, but I have a feeling that that ring that's on there was placed on there by a team member. But you know, and that is the end of the treat trail. And here is Sesame Street Potter World. The Count. Cool. Count Chocula. It's pretty cool too. I saw this before, but it's still a really cool shirt. I like it. Elmo Classic Universal Monster. Here we are, round 2. Oh, heck yes. Thank you, please. Yes, and thank you. Please and thank you. Mentos. I guess this must be the dance party. Woo. Okay, well that was a boring video. Get seeing some movement, some dancing, because I got a video going on here. Not gonna, okay. I gotta do short clips because of copyright.
Umbrellas, that's right, candy corn umbrellas is where you go to get all your candy. Make your way over there. Thanks for joining us here at SeaWorld Spooktacular 2019.
So we just hit the candy trail a second time.
Yeah. That's good. It reminded me of being back home in Pennsylvania, doing Hershey Park, doing Hershey, anything Hershey theme park Halloweenish, not trick or trail candy.
Yeah.
For the money, I mean, it's perfect. You get to do whatever you want. You get candy. I mean, we have to pay like money for these bags.
Yeah.
But like everything else, it was not so bad.
Yeah, and you could bring your own. You can bring your own bags if you like. We just well, didn't do that, so. So that's a quick look at SeaWorld's Halloween Spooktacular. Thanks for, what's that?
Before it starts raining.
Yeah, and thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the rain shower.
I'm